Detail and tips part 1. This is my favorite tool for cleaning perforated leather. The rubber tip will not damage or puncture the seat like metal possibly could if not used carefully. Detail and tips part 2. How to clean love bugs. Step 1. Spray bug remover over affected areas. Step 2. Let it dwell to break down and melt those pesky bugs away. Step 3. Pressure rinse bug remains. Step 4. Respray and agitate with a soft bristled brush if needed.
Detail and tips part 3. How to safely remove snow. If you're using this type of brush to remove snow from your car, you're most likely putting swirls in your paint. Any bristle soft enough to not damage your paint is not going to be strong enough to push snow. So what I like to do is grab a microfiber towel, wrap it around the head of the brush to cover all the bristles, and then tie it up with one of these gear ties from Amazon. Now the safest possible way would be to use a blower, but where I live, the snow is too wet and heavy that a blower isn't going to do anything. So if you use this trick with a microfiber, you're going to reduce the chance of swirling up your paint. Detail and tips part 4. How to remove tree sap. Step 1. Spray with isopropyl alcohol. Step 2. Gently work the IPA around, allowing it time to break down the sap. Step 3. Carefully wipe the softened sap and repeat if necessary. Detail and tips part 5. How to clean gum. This task can be a huge pain, but the easiest way to do it is blast it with some steam. First, get off as much as you can dry, and then hit it with some steam. This will soften and melt the gum and help release it from the fibers, which makes for a nice, easy wipe off.